Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how we can see profile views on Twitter or how to see profile views on the X application. So we're going to make sure that we've launched our X application and we've signed in. And then from here, we're going to tap on our profile and then we are going to tap on profile. From here, you can see my posts, and then I'm going to tap on their analytics on these posts. As you can see, I only see the amount of impressions and the amount of engagement and tickets expands, but this doesn't show the exact amount of people that have viewed our posts or our profile. So the only way that we can actually be able to know the amount of people is by heading over to that bell icon. And then in the case that you've seen the amount of requested photos or the new followers, that's how you're going to know the people who have actually viewed your profile in Twitter. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.